Are you going to finish your breakfast? We'll be late.
A sec. There we go.
That reminds me, your mom stopped by the other day.
Mom? When? I mean, she didn't tell me she was coming by. Where was I?
I think you were out seeing a client. But she just popped in to say hello.
That woman would never just pop in to say hello. She's a trickster, that one. So tell me, what were the two most important women in my life conspiring behind my back?
You have no idea.
I love the way the two of you are. You two are practically like BFFs now.
I understand. But I want you to reconsider. We women are made to multitask. You tend your home just as you tend your business. There is no home without children.
Anyway, I think we're done.
Yep. Oh, not fast. Thank you for breakfast.
Hurry up, we're going to be late.
Do we have to go to work today? It's not very calm.
Stop!
Oh, come on.
Kofi, no!
Oh.
It's a fun day, plenty day. It's a fun day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye. Solution say bye. Ramen kodo.
Now, you the boys, if you shoot me content, so. But on a more serious note, I just send a level on the high crowd. High tech! Hey, they said you're bound to be sitting between Ninja Line Munadio. Or buy no quick, no yama.
The part where they beam me, sometimes I just day house. Then, when you're pepper, when I know about drop. My God, as you come there and pay, I have a feeling my drop.
Yes, you see the reason why they stay in house where they can't shop. Fill out things that way they come here.
Forget money no real. Come on.
Ni balem ba. Ngani balem ba.
Gentle filler. Mine, if you look po, ponting.
The sunny.
So this morning, as I did road the car, you see that guy where they work for that big factory. Then you want to say,
the short mommy.
Le,
We get belly like that.
oh no?
Yeah,
Oh, Charlie. Apparently, for 3 months now they don't pay him. Oh, Junior can hang me. How could let thing for 3 months now? Oh, it be so they tell him why Charlie nobody knows. No way you need to mo obla no akpa. E shen ashike da bi ai. Now Charlie.
So you don't go few people.
When wife go pick up them.
Hey.
They were calling like no ya no. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're a gentleman. Yeah, Branty. That is why your shadow is even handsome. I thank you for the good sent by my daughter. Thank you. Mr. Brefie. Oh yeah, Brefie. Me bon a punching cracker. In a moment. But for now, me and my family, we want to thank you dearly. Charlie. Jenna. Come and see fireworks. Come and see fireworks. You get you. Get when you don't know. No way. Oh, be you.
Relax.
Get what be no. Fie. Ejen pi. Bang. Fonton front. Et toi e fin do. I say, she en fin toneke. E dali prem. See, I even saw the fire service truck where the race go the house.
She set house on fire.
Oh, see this one. Why your head die like that? It be manner of speaking, keke. Ah, you cry why?
Oh, Inkobu, mene, bontel.
Our boss if you no go.
Oleni nyeton kaje ni batabie kaje kpo ni se place your da keminta awati maba oleni nyagaje aka so no ko MTN mobile money impede test ile ni de se ni nyaga ba nwa ati ayo.
Oh, sweet sister. Please, your name.
Please, I'm not coming here because of sweet sister. Where's my watch?
Oh, Pacho. Se mi hu dinner and now order number na Pacho na me dey assure my osisi awan Pacho.
Na jangbeleki. Or na for short.
Oh, Pacho what than 50 CDs.
Yes, I have paid through MTN mobile money.
I'm Pacho and Saka. Ya chiro kra say
and what you
me Pacho won say orders no draws into ye na first come first serve. Into me Pacho e be do so sisia why me sro into oh you can make yourself comfortable.
Hey, people of Agbene.
Oh, you
comfortable.
Madam, please, I'm doing the order now.
One Pacho yeah why sister Pacho.
Hey, where? What is this? I don't like this bush thing. Put it in pack.
Oh, me Pacho throw leaves.
Put it in pack and add the rubber band and plastic spoon and toothpick.
You mean toothpick?
Ola. School and cabonite. School to me no tank about taje. Ah, sanitana mochabu.
Bet I told you.
See you. Onabune.
Whatever. Ola try.
Solutions,
Pa, nada wakwa. Enya mayankwa.
And here going.
Let's make sure that we are going to see the people Adubia talked about. Have you forgotten?
But you said tomorrow.
Yes, I said tomorrow yesterday.
And what is today?
Today is the tomorrow. To Shwabasi mayankwa.
You give me a moment, Mura.
Shwabasi.
Oh, what is the meaning of that?
Sweetheart. When your lovely wife of 27 years of marriage asks you to escort her, you don't give excuses. Huh? Sorry.
God, if this is what I have to contend with when she comes on retirement, oh, please, take me first.
Well, what did you say?
Your dress is beautiful.
Sawara, thank you.
No chonu young. Oh, belle yaje. Hey, manye na janga.
Hey, get him at home, mama.
Forget mo. She go na ngene nke onye le pele. Oye pele o.
Ule send of iska.
E fite wo fe. She ole no ko. Ama bi bu no ko on. Ale no e. Ade anu so le to mo gan. Bopo ayelo.
Ula mama. Mo gwa chabo. O sikani.
Daddy.
Ule send me sikani nke ni mama bono ni. I'm pay my water with MTN mobile money. And they've give me water. Why you touch your baby? Why they talk like that? Mo gwa chabo. Alo kwa mi nje daga. Inyak ba ni mi mbani. Bana me fia me.
Not at all. Accept our apologies.
Osmo bla foton. Fantenyo. Why here? Ben you have gathered you buanya ina likafia moko bai wacha benye jale maba. Moko chanye. Ben ni bank arrange over ni ba machine nyara ka yes guy na isi.
Ile ni mbi.
Moko chabo.
Dabi.
Alo nje bega.
Dabi kwa.
Na me fia me. Sana chame. Ole unu ra.
Now, why is I mempe? You can't be rude to my customers. Oh yes, sir. I will not entertain you here again. Why? Sorry, why? But next time, no. Wait me after WhatsApp number now to check on your food. So, baby, now.
Yeah, me this send the empty mobile money in the meeting flash.
Pacho.
Timefle.
That's right.
Where mun you go? I don't know kasa I want give you.
Boy, Yago. I'm winning.
Or head Diane. Enter at hand. No, what that be?
Yeah. Ah, good in here. Yeah, spotted in the egg puff.
You will end him. No one
Tai Chi.
Even in rainy day. Buffer day. Plenty day. Buffer day. Even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be balaba, it no be wahala.
Yeah, what's up in Twitter? Yes, now Saraha, Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, Imo.
Make you take your basket, make your machete, make you take your motokusaki, go make some profit. Enyamelo solutions, vous kuna osele solutions, man. Ododio, Boma Perro, Boma Carente, Boma Balanchante, Bunyole, Boma Balanchante, Bunyole.
Well, Ofu Odale ni kura. Ofu Odale ni. If this girl matter you won't talk.
Tell him.
Hey, my name of family. Everybody know her. Only marriage at her. She be the marriage at her. I hear who. You know say husband there, bro.
I know.
Oh, party at her, bro. They can't challenge again. Phone no nyo. Oh, Connie, darling, sweetie, darling. We're buying for. Get lost, guy.
Child. That explains why.
Oh, it be true. I tell you, you know, say my nigga, you know the fluff for flat top. But the truth be say, my husband struggled for 4 years. They struggle get papers. Now I hear say, he get the papers, he get the same job too. Where he they send him wife money plus him kiddie. So now, he be now where she the struggle keep her plus the Kardashians.
Hey, but you why? He Kardashian. That one if you talk toothpick. Hey, he can't let us know what to talk. Tit speak. Hey, Charlie.
You know the team eye colors.
Charlie.
Talk a rainbow.
Whatever. Chai. Me, I hear say she be big businesswoman. Oh, she expecting goods from Togo.
Megus. A bad thing. Makeup. A bad thing. You know that in friend actually. Yeah. Actually, the one if she they work like somebody push her from behind. Yeah, don't go. She carry her money give actually. Say make she go buy women jeans, hair extension, pure to cashino kenny. Hello, she can Oh,
but that's a smart idea.
For the way. Uchene smart. Uchene smart. Look, for 8 months now, nobody see him or even hear about him. Makeup. Look, you see that my wife house. If I pray, I'm like by this time, if we need to add audience, over today.
Hey, boys, Kasa.
Hey, Joseph, I want you serious, sir. Won't you buy fish?
Oh, but you, doctor's advice.
My friend, if you don't have money to buy fish, why are you blaming some poor doctor? Meanwhile, that's not going to talk to a patron. To respect his dignity and his privacy.
Sorry.
But you can also compensate with fish. The head.
In your dreams.
Hey, you fuck up.
I wish you for doing.
Hey, but guys, seriously, I know they about something. How now go take him money go give Ashley? Why? Ashley she be businesswoman, or she didn't hair extensions?
The one that says.
Well, she they do business for the border. Volley. And if your business is border, you can take I will only work second hand here. They can buy a counter. Then she can't sell her. And that be the movement she will do for them. Actually, the whole thing be some way. The whole thing be some way. You know I get boy to monoko no you go echo to mo ban. I check. Memunatu.
Masabi,
Rakiatu.
I check.
It's my order ready yet.
Yeah, yeah.
Only a pan was here for turn our block. Where now? Okay,
I no see guy in the love Kokonsa pass you. You be too much. You do all.
Nah, you be media man. I be journalist. Kokonsa Kokonsa. I be journalist. I go any fear. But guys, Danny Obabote Jalaye Lokomi Aloni Homo Komi. It's an obi kuna kebo. She titrini yo me. It's an obi many yo nili sanjini enya. If you ask, make them tell you. Kaje na kan oba lu e pole. Aba yoshka. Onu. Ka wo itu agbo ya.
Kwamo na buko parabola. Kwamo na buko.
You are no see guy they love to concert pass you. You do.
Media man. They are dated. Now we call that journalism. Concert je journalism. Parabola. Well, me love you. Chale me when mass on Charlie guys, finally. Charlie, we see. My CCTV camera. I shot too. Where's my phone?
I don't know the rest. I'll do you now. I know it's better body. Meet them and body inside. I'll be vegetarian.
You be a
You don't get money, I say you be vegetarian. Solutions.
What are you looking at?
Some pictures.
Lovely pictures.
Thank you.
The website is clean. Who designed it?
It's a friend in church, a business owner. She's been trying to expand her business, but she just doesn't know how. So I mentioned to her to come visit us because you're doing miracles for small businesses.
Thank you. Your words are kind.
And true. Very true.
Nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
See you at lunch?
Sure.
Good.
Good morning, sir. Madam, please, if it wouldn't be a problem, I'd like to make a quick dash to Akmapa's school during my lunch break. I was actually ordering a cake for him.
Cake for him?
Yes. Tomorrow is his birthday, but tomorrow being a Saturday, he wants a birthday party in school today.
Birthday?
Yes.
Do you really want to do this?
Yes.
Do you really?
Yes, doctor, don't try to stop me.
Hello, my favorite person in the world right now.
Hello.
Hello, welcome. Thank you. Pleasant as always. Thank you.
You're not early.
I know. I couldn't wait. I thought I should just come see it now before I go to the shop. I might not be able to come by later in the day. I hope I'm not intruding on your schedule.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Actually, give me a sec. Have a seat. I'll be with you.
Sure. You are kidding me. You guys are just too much. We try. We do our best. Oh. Yes. Thank you very much. She'd like to see you now, please.
Oh, okay.
Can I take this with me? Yes, you can. Joseph will call me fine. See you later. Wow, You guys are the real deal. You don't just make promises, you actually deliver.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
I love it. This is really nice. Are you sure this is sustainable? You guys give every client who calls a cup of hot chocolate.
Does it make you want to come back?
It does have an effect on me. I won't lie about that.
Well, then I'm sure it's worth it. It's the little things, my dear. The very little things.
Little things are also known to ruin big things.
What were the two most important women in my life conspiring behind my back?
You have no idea. You know, this is also an interactive mock-up. Okay. You can actually click on the links and see what happens.
This one? Okay. Wow, this is lovely. I love this. You know, I was just thinking this morning about a new idea.
Okay.
That's really why I came in early, actually. I have in recent times received a few orders for baby clothes. I saw something for a friend's baby shower, and now everybody wants some. So I'm thinking of starting a whole new line of baby clothes. What do you think?